Hello everyone, let's talk about some of the tips you will need to get your Indeed profile noticed by recruiters. First thing first, go to your web browser and search for Indeed.com. Go to your profile and make sure that you have completed your profile to 100%. Make sure that you have filled out all sections such as work experience, education, skills, certifications, and projects. In LinkedIn, the more your profile is completed, the higher it shows in recruiter searches. Make sure that you are also using keywords really smartly. Firstly, do your research on the job hunting. While doing that, make sure to look at job description you are targeting. Include exact keywords from those jobs listing into your headline, summary, skill section, or job descriptions. While writing your headline, make sure that it is clear and concise. While you're writing a powerful summary on your LinkedIn profile, make sure that it's not too long. Keep it 3 to 5 sentences, and also don't forget to show your expertise, key skills, and what type of role you're looking for. That's all for today. Thank you.